What letter makes a k sound? I. What letter makes a k sound? C. What letter makes a k sound? That's C. What letter makes a sound? U. What letter makes a p sound? P. Put it all together and what does it spell? Hiccup. Hiccup. I love to spell. Spell. I really love to spell. Spell. Love to spell. I really love to spell. Spell. Watch Super Why weekdays on PBS